Leo, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung energies coming to you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood mo ang reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So anytime na mapanood mo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Ayan. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading, paki-check na lang. Okay, what are the energies coming to Leo in the next 7 days? Show us the energies, please. You have the Eight of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, the Lovers, the the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, wow. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Wands. So it seems na yung iba sa inyo parang sick and tired na kayo of the usual routine, no? Lalo na kung kayo ay medyo nabuburned out na sa trabaho. Parang you feel like there's a lot of going on in your workplace na gusto mo ngayon ng katahimikan ng isip. Ayan. And also, I'm seeing recognition sa inyo. Kung ano man yung mga pinaghirapan nyo, yung mga ineffortan nyo, you are going to be recognized. There's also an opportunity for you elsewhere. Pwedeng ikaw ay may plans of, finding a new job, going to a different place, paglilipat ng bahay. Ayan. So, let us see the energies here. You have the Knight of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, feeling nyo, parang ang bagal ng pag-usad, no? Lalo na ng career ninyo. Even sa relationship, no? Yung iba, pwedeng, kahit meron kayong karelasyon, feeling nyo, the person that you're dealing with ay hindi masyadong nag-e-effort. Parang wala masyadong ganap or pinatutunguhan yung inyong connection. So, some of you are thinking kung saan nyo ba ipo-focus yung attention nyo? Sa relationship ba? Sa trabaho nyo, sa career nyo, or sa future nyo? So, you've been thinking a lot lately kung saan mo ibubuhos yung commitment mo. Kasi pwedeng you are committing to your person, pero hindi naman niya binabalik yung commitment na yun sa'yo or parang hindi naman worth it para sa'yo. Pwede rin namang you are committing yourself sa work. You've been working really hard. Pero parang hindi mo nakikita yung resulta nung pinagtrabahuhan mo. Pwedeng hindi ka napapansin sa workplace or you feel like hindi ka binavalue or pinapahalagahan. So now, I'm seeing na maaring meron kang plans to try a new career path or a new business or any endeavor that your intuition or your instinct is telling you. Na parang sinasabi sa yung instinct mo na, sige na, gawin mo na. I-push mo na yan, yung gusto mong mangyari sa life mo. Kasi you are going to be successful. You are meant to be successful. You are meant to be recognized by a lot of people. Yung, tinan mo, nakafocus sa'yo yung spotlight. Yes, nasa iyo ang spotlight ngayon, Leo. Kaya, in the next 7 days, I see some changes that you're going to go through. No? Meron kang mga ipupursue. So, let's see what else. Kuha tayo ng iba pang cards for you, Leo. Oh, you have the links. Links is about your intuition. Okay? So, like what I mentioned kanina, nagiging malakas yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo about what you need to do moving forward. Kung saan mo ifo-focus yung attention mo. Okay? You are also becoming more independent. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng gusto nyo i-pursue yung pagkakaroon ng sarili nyong negosyo, pagiging self-employed na you don't have to report to a boss, no, for your career. Or parang kung baga ikaw na yung maghahawak dito sa path mo dito sa landas na tatahakin mo at hindi mo nahayaan na ito ay kontrolin ng ibang tao for you. You have Thunderbolt. Oh my God. So meron kang idea, no? This is like a eureka moment na iniisip mo na, uy, maganda tong idea na to. I'm going to try this. I'm going to learn about this. So there's a certain force within you that making you feel excited, no? Na you feel excited about trying new things, exploring new things, learning new things. Because this is an energy of your ideas, yung mga naiisip mo, imagination mo, mas nagiging creative ka rin. Marami kang parang nagiging malikot yung isip mo ngayon. You have desert. So, desert is pagiging flexible, adaptable, kasi 'di ba sa desyerto, pag inisip ng iba, ay walang tubig diyan. 'Di ba? So, how are you going to live in a desert? Paano ka mas magiging creative, paano ka mas magiging adaptable para magamit mo yung talento mo, paano mo gagamitin yung talento mo, yung skills mo to prove yourself that you can do a lot of things. 'Di ba? Yung resilience, kumbaga, na kahit na may mga challenges ka, kahit na may mga bagay na you feel like parang pumipigil sa'yo of exploring and expanding, maaring ito yung ito kasi yung parang transition sa'yo. You are transitioning from this situation na pagod na, hirap na, pero lumalaban pa rin. And ang ending niyan, you are going to come out of this situation successfully. Okay? So masasabi mo sa sarili mo na, worth it naman pala, no? Worth it naman pala yung mga pinaghirapan mo. Okay, so for your money, career, finances, let's see. You have the Ten of Pentacles, oh. Ten of Pentacles. This is stability in your finances. Sa career mo, I feel like mas lalo kang nagiging determinado, no, to earn more money, to create more abundance sa buhay mo, 'di ba? Four of Pentacles is about stability. So meron kang stability ngayon sa finances mo. You are saving more, no? Iba sa inyo, maaring mas nagfo-focus rin kayo sa pag-iipon. Oo. Yung iba, maaring pinag-iipunan nyo yung mga plano nyo for your future, like having your own house, diba? You have the Chariot. Oh my God. See, there is definitely success in your career. Things are going to move forward para sa inyo, Leo. So, kung medyo parang nababagalan ka sa nangyayari ngayon, nasa transition period ka kasi. Kaya parang feeling mo ang bagal or hindi mo pa nakikita kung ano yung what's in store for you. But keep going kasi ang end goal nito is to be successful. And then your love life, tingnan natin love life ng mga Leo. Son of Wands. So, yung iba sa inyo, you might be, going on dates, meeting new people, mas magiging outgoing ka to meet new people. You have the Eight of Wands. So, yeah, I think kung ikaw yung tipong naghahanap ng romantic connection relationship, I feel like you are going to go out more often to talk to others. Pwede ding may mga travel opportunities for you. Oh my God, you have the Lovers. Okay, so Leo, if you're single, possible na in the next 7 days, you will meet a person na kung saan magugustuhan mo. Like, gusto mong kausap, gusto mong kasama, magugustuhan mo yung kanyang company, no? So, yan. Exciting for you yan, Leo, if you're looking for a partner. Kasi, 2 beses lumabas yung The Lovers dito. So, it's about you committing yourself into a serious relationship. Pag sinabi naman natin serious relationship, hindi naman porket serious yun, kailangan tipong magpapakasal na kayo or ano. It's about being, yung pagiging loyal dun sa person na yon kasi gusto mo na siyang mas makilala pa. 'Di ba? Okay. So, ancestral healing, your ancestors are holding space for you to heal your past. Oh my God. Napaka-importante kasi that you are healing from your past para mas madali sa'yong makapag-move on at ma-welcome ang mga new beginnings sa buhay mo. Okay, so that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much and see you again.